Introduction. Science fiction is now science fact. At the end of 2016 I read that some cryptocurrencies had gone up by 5,000% in just 12 months. I decided to do some research, fast. This is what I found. $100 worth of bitcoins bought in 2010 is worth well over $27 million today. How could I have missed out on those returns? It was time to get in. So what are cryptocurrencies and where did it all start? 1. A decentralized system for sending money to other people. Most payment systems run on a centralized network. The problem with this is that you have to incur unnecessary and expensive transaction fees. Usually, this is done by a central server that keeps track of your balances, i.e. your credit card and/or the bank's. It can also take several days for one bank to talk to another bank, and so sending money becomes both expensive and takes too long. A programmer calling himself Satoshi Nakamoto successfully found a way to build a decentralized digital cash system, thus avoiding the need for a centralized system. He describes it in a surprisingly simple way in his white paper for Bitcoin, which I have added in the appendix. You should read it before buying Bitcoin. A decentralized system means the network is powered by its users without having any third party, central authority or middleman controlling it. Neither central banks or governments has power over this system. 2. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies which can be used to digitally transfer money to another person safely, without having to use intermediaries or trusted third parties, like a bank or Visa, e.g., to verify that you have sent the money and the money is now no longer yours. You might want to read that sentence again, slowly. In addition, it does it much faster at a fraction of the cost because it does away with unnecessary and expensive transaction fees. Why? Crypto. The way digital currencies provide safety is twofold. The first is that it uses encryption technology, hence the name cryptocurrency. What is the blockchain? The second way is to have a public ledger, where all the transactions are kept. Thousands of computers around the world are linked together to display this ledger. They refresh and update every few minutes. This network of computers all linked together in this way is called the blockchain. You can trust it because it means that each transaction has been verified again and again by all the computers, the blockchain. With thousands of computers linked up all over the world saying the same thing, the ledger's integrity is upheld. Each cryptocurrency can have its own blockchain, although some are shared. How does this work? Imagine I send you $10 and you send the $10 to someone else. Somehow someone has to keep track of these transactions, to avoid forgeries or anyone claiming they haven't received the money. In the past, central banks or banks have kept details of the transaction on something called a ledger. This is based on a centralized system. With Bitcoin, currently the main digital currency, the whole system was turned on its head. Instead of a centralized system controlling the ledger, now thousands of computers, all around the world, each keep a copy of this ledger. Every single transaction is kept there, from the beginning to present day. This is a decentralized system, called the blockchain. Please note that money in itself does not have any intrinsic value, it is only because we believe that it has value that it is worth anything. Money is just a tracking system, we track what we own and what we owe. This is called a ledger. Whatever form of money exists, we give it value because of its utility as a ledger or tracking system of who owes what. That's what the blockchain is, a giant, decentralized ledger. Why are so many computers necessary? The idea comes from airplane safety. If you have one computer flying the plane and the system crashes, the airplane could crash. The thought was that if there were 3 computers, and one crashed, then the fact that 2 computers were saying something different to one meant that the 2 outweighed the one and the plane would continue even if one crashed. The inventors of the blockchain took it one step further and wanted as many computers as possible to be in on it. So if there is a disagreement on a few computers of the blockchain, whatever the majority, e.g. 51% are saying will win, and that information is put on the ledger on all the computers. What are miners? There are 2 ways of getting Bitcoin. You can either buy one at the current price, today's price is $4,200 for 1 Bitcoin, or you can mine it. The analogy is like mining for gold. However, with digital currencies it is slightly different, as you don't have to go down a mine to do so. With cryptocurrencies, you have to do it through something called proof of work. Proof of work refers to the fact that if you want a Bitcoin, you have to literally prove that you have done work and in return you get paid in Bitcoin tokens. In cryptocurrencies this is done by creating a scenario where if you want to get paid in Bitcoins, you have to do something which is not easy to do, i.e. you have to commit your computers to solving puzzles or mathematical functions. If the computer solves the puzzle, then it proves that you have dedicated power, time, effort, heat and computation to solve the problem. The more you do this, the more of a vote you are allowed to have. This vote is embodied in a Bitcoin token. You receive a token of Bitcoin, a fraction of a Bitcoin, in return for mining it. Only miners are able to confirm a transaction. This is their role in the cryptocurrency network. They record transactions, verify them and disperse the transactional information in the network. Here's an overview of some of the main cryptocurrencies and their purposes. 1. Bitcoin BTC. Purpose: digital currency and store of value. Description: Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. It was designed as a decentralized alternative to fiat currencies, enabling peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Bitcoin is widely used as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. 2. Ethereum ETH. Purpose: smart contracts and decentralized applications (dApps). Description: Ethereum is a blockchain platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and dApps. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum focuses on programmability, allowing the creation of decentralized financial systems DeFi NFTs, and other blockchain-based innovations. 3. Binance Coin BNB. Purpose: utility token for the Binance ecosystem. Description: BNB is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange. It is used to pay transaction fees, participate in token sales on Binance Launchpad, and more. Over time, it has expanded to power Binance's smart chain ecosystem. 4. Ripple XRP. Purpose: cross-border payments and remittances. Description: XRP is designed to facilitate fast and low-cost international money transfers. It is used by financial institutions and payment providers as a bridge currency to improve cross-border transaction efficiency. 5. Cardano ADA. Purpose: smart contracts and sustainable blockchain solutions. Description: Cardano is a blockchain platform focused on scalability, sustainability, and interoperability. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and is aimed at providing secure and scalable infrastructure for dApps and smart contracts. 6. Solana SOL. Purpose: high performance blockchain for dApps and DeFi. Description: Solana is known for its speed and low transaction costs. It is a blockchain designed to support high-performance applications, making it popular in the NFT and DeFi ecosystems. 7. Polkadot DOT. Purpose: interoperability between blockchains. Description: Polkadot connects multiple blockchains, allowing them to exchange data and assets securely. Its goal is to create a unified network of blockchains, enabling interoperability and scalability. 8. Litecoin LTC. Purpose: digital currency for everyday transactions. Description: often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin offers faster transaction times and lower fees than Bitcoin. It is designed for quick and affordable payments. 9. Tether USDT. Purpose: stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Description: USDT is a stablecoin designed to maintain a one value with the US dollar. It is widely used in trading as a way to avoid the volatility of other cryptocurrencies while still participating in the crypto ecosystem. 10. Dogecoin DOGE. Purpose: peer-to-peer digital currency. Description: originally created as a joke, Dogecoin has gained significant popularity due to its community support and low transaction fees. It is often used for tipping and microtransactions. 11. Chainlink LINK. Purpose: decentralized oracles for smart contracts. Description: Chainlink connects smart contracts with real-world data, enabling them to execute based on external events, e.g., weather data, stock prices. 12. Shiba Inu SHIB. Purpose: meme-based cryptocurrency. Description: like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is a meme coin but has also introduced a DeFi ecosystem, including a decentralized exchange, ShibaSwap, and NFTs. 13. Avalanche AVAX. Purpose: high-speed blockchain platform. Description: Avalanche focuses on scalability and low transaction fees. It supports dApps and custom blockchain networks, aiming to rival Ethereum in the DeFi space. 14. Monero XMR. Purpose: privacy-focused cryptocurrency. Description: Monero offers enhanced privacy and anonymity by concealing transaction details such as the sender, receiver, and amount. These cryptocurrencies address various use cases, from digital payments and cross-border transfers to powering decentralized applications, NFTs, and DeFi. Each has unique features that contribute to its value and adoption in the crypto ecosystem.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.